The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Can you hear me now? Fellas, sound check. Sound? Loud. Okay, great. Man, it took me 3 tries to get into GoToWebinar. I have no idea why I had no sound. I apologize for the inconvenience. Nonetheless, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday. We have a bot trade here on the YM. Today is Tuesday. There we go. Both trades hit and filled. If you have no, wouldn't do any good. If you have no audio, man, people are having, hang on one second, guys. I don't know what's going on. Okay, now you can see in here? Okay. All right. In any event, guys, good morning. I apologize for any inconvenience. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, Scott. Today is Tuesday, December 6th. Let me just check news. I guess I lost my news when I shut down. Let me check the news. Today is Tuesday. I don't think we have anything today. We do not. Nothing. Redbook retail sales. Who cares? We have no news of any interest today. In any event, guys, good morning. Yesterday was a decent day. Kind of slow, but nonetheless, it was a decent session. Anybody that was in order flow class yesterday? Have you guys, first, I've sent the video. Second, have you guys tried what I taught you in class yesterday? SeaWorld, huh? Things we do for kids. Yes, it did. All right, good. Good. A couple of you tried it. I don't know who's in the room, but nonetheless, good morning and welcome. I again apologize. You had to rebuild NinjaTrader last night? Oh, man. Sorry. I've had to do that myself. Crude is a short at the close of the candle. So hang on one second. 75, you can sell it here, I think, 62, 63, 64. Crude is a short. It's popping around, but it's a short. If crude breaks below 75.55, I think hey, James! She gets obliterated. In any event, let me read the disclaimer. Let me show you some charts. Let's figure out what we're doing today. Whoop. Dang it. Let me try this again. Hate when I can't find the disclaimer. There it is. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Crude is a short, guys. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, let's take a look at bots first. Hang on, guys, 1 second. What GoTo is being a fickle thing today. Got members that cannot hear. I should probably leave that up. All right. ES is up $37.50. Crude has not taken a trade as of yet. NASDAQ is down $5. YM is up $180, obviously a slow morning. And natural gas is down 700. So bots are down a little bit. I will be running the breakout indicators as well, same as yesterday, the same 4. I've read the disclaimer. Before I get into the breakout indicators, let me first show some target 1 hit and filled on the ES. The whole thing with the breakout indicator is we want the reversals, right? We're not looking for, I mean, you can trade it, but the whole benefit of this is to get reversals. So crude, same thing. I'll sell the close. I know I'm trading into Big Blue, but I want the reversals. Natural gas, we want the reversal long. We've just had this short, big short at 804. And now if it's going to go, I don't care if this sells off 500 more ticks. When it goes long, it will fire a trade. NASDAQ bot just went long. I'll bring that over in a minute. And then same thing with gold. I want to buy the close. I just had this short. Now I want to buy the close. Okay. NASDAQ, which is down $5 on the bot, just took a long. I don't particularly like it. We're above yesterday's close, so we're slightly less than flat. We'll see what we get. Paul, I appreciate that more than you know. No, Mimi, I have no idea. You guys, for those of you that don't know, and Mimi, you should know, I am a technological moron. I'm not a tech guy. All right, target 1 filled. That puts the NASDAQ bot green. Did he get back to you? Probably not. Of course. I am, Tom. What you guys need to do, the YM bot is still, we still have a trade on the YM bot. If gold gets above 93.1, she blows that swing that I'm just ahead of. ES just ripped off 39.95 for 10 handles. Yeah, that's why we're pushing 2 standard deviations. So you guys, if you were in this, and you can put that indicator on your breakout, right? There's no shortage of you can put any indicator on the breakout indicator. Daily VWAP. This is going to have to push up through 92.8 to get that target. Let's see what we got here. You can always upgrade to the auto function. I don't even offer it manually anymore, Keith. You scalp with it. Nothing else is triggered. They're all armed. $9.97. I mean, the cool thing about the automation on it. The cool thing about the automation is you can set 4, 5, 6 of these. Yeah, 1997. Yeah. You can set 5 of these and forget about them till they execute a trade. With the manual, so for those of you guys that don't know, the original version was a manual version. You would have to manually enter by market when it broke resistance or support on the breakout, right? And virtually everybody wanted it automated, so I had it automated. This way you can run 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 charts and try to get the reversals. So, when natural gas does its thing and goes up 60 ticks, you want the reversal, whenever that may be, and just set it and forget it. Let's see here, natural gas. Natural gas may be a small long above 75 with a first target at 85, 86. If you guys want a small scalp. Gold doing nothing. There's just nothing going on here, guys. For natural gas, 5. Let me check. 6. 6. That seems slow, but this is. We have no news today, guys, so this could be a really slow session again. PPI this week. Anybody take natural gas at 75? First target on natural gas is maybe 86. Okay. It's pushing the resistance here. I wouldn't let this come below 64. That would be my stop, 64. 11 ticks. Gold's almost to that target. Let me take 2 off. Gold's into resistance. Yeah, if we get above 85, natural gas can go 55.10. What? YM bot is back to the entry. Look at that little son of a bitch. It came to 62 and bounced right back up. That natural gas. Come on, gold, give me a ripper. Remember, tomorrow is Wednesday, so it's crude inventory day. I will not have the crude bot on. I may run it from 6 to 7, but generally I do not run the crude bot on inventory day. Can't get a reversal anywhere. I'm waiting for copper to reverse, as well as, all right, natural gas is on the cusp of a reversal. Natural gas held support at 439. There's a double bottom there on the small time frame. This swing high has to go, and gold can break up to 95. All right, copper's on the verge of rolling over. Copper needs to come down below probably 81, 85 to fire a trade. Crude flat, natural gas sitting. And the YM also sitting. I don't have a copper bot, Chris. I don't have a copper bot. If you trade copper, I know we have one guy that does. I can get his settings. Most of the members in the room do not trade copper. But we have some that will. That's why I stopped giving trades in copper. Do the markets know we're freaking open? Keith uses the same settings on natural gas as he does copper. Chris. Do the markets know we're here? All right. This is going nowhere. I'll set it for sell the close. Yeah, gold will. And we have no Fed speakers because of the quiet period. We have no news. I don't expect gold to do a whole lot. Crude is trying to get a bid. I almost think crude off this bottom here might be interesting. One thing I didn't do, let's take a look at volume everywhere. Natural gas, it looks like it's going to come down. Heavy volume in gas. NASDAQ, yeah, decent volume. We're not lacking in volume. Same in the ES, we're not lacking in volume. We do have 8,200 net sellers overnight. Gold, good volume in gold. Gold looks like it's going to roll over. I have the bot on gold set for the reversal, the short. Crude, good volume in crude. We do have an unfinished auction at 76.14 I like. Got nothing here, guys. Nothing. You can short NASDAQ in 53 seconds. You can short NASDAQ here. First target is 811. It may bounce a little bit, but NASDAQ I think is coming down. Your stop is 33. It's 818. First target would be 11. All right. Natty gas. All right. I'm going to buy the close on natural gas on the breakout indicator. Okay. Copper is a short, but it does have to get below 38, 381. I'm in no hurry to. All right, we got a trade on crude. I'm sorry, natural gas. I don't particularly like the long. So the stop, which won't move, stop is going to be that pivot. I can't move the stop. 23 is my stop. NASDAQ bot's going to short. Are you trading a NASDAQ breakout indicator? Paul? Oh, you took the short, the order flow short. It's just sitting here. Should come down to 811. This market is slow, fellas, really slow. NASDAQ's trying to short on the bot. Below 811, your target on NASDAQ is 790. Okay, out on the white. NASDAQ just shorted on the bot. And we got a short on gold on the breakout. Come on, 811. Working too hard for 3 points. All right, copper also shorted. you guys want to, there's target one. If you guys want on natural gas, if you guys want to shut your NASDAQ trade down, it's about break even. It's not doing anything. I still think it's short, but it's just doing nothing. Natty Gas will need to get up above 466 to keep going. Guys, I'm shutting my bots down. I'm shutting them all off. They're off. Bots are off until the market opens. Got 266. All right, natural gas is doing its thing. Gets through that swing, it can go a ways. Crude flat as a board. You're welcome, Ozzy. Morning, Hubba. All right, we got target one on gold. Gold is set in an open runner, so it will just trade. And naturally, NASDAQ got target and is heading towards my second target at 90. Anybody keep that NASDAQ trade? Got $400 here in copper. Okay, guys. Nice hold. Nice hold, Hubert. 6 accounts. Okay, Chris. Big trade on copper, guys. We're at 630. Come on, one more tick. One more. Got it. Boom. Big trade on copper. So we have open runners, guys, on everything. Nice job, Lori. Except for crude, which will do absolutely nothing. I mean, there's nothing doing anything. Got to take this swing. Even on a slow day, the breakout is making money. My favorite indicator, guys. You're killing it with the breakout indicator. Nice. Yeah, you just, again, with this thing, you're just trading reversals. That's all we're doing. So for instance, with copper, we missed this up move. We got the reversal. And when this takes us out, the goal then is to get the other side. Okay, so out on natural gas, the breakout is up 1170. 1170 with 2 runners. Yesterday we did just over 2,000 prior to 9 o'clock. Ended up around 1850. Anybody have any questions, guys? This may have been the slowest first hour of trade ever. This is like July. Good morning, Magnus. Let me take a look at copper on a bigger time frame. Boy, copper's on the cusp of breaking completely down here. On the cusp. If this moves below that pivot there, 3850, this thing could really scramble. Damn it, I missed natural gas. No, I didn't. All right, so natural gas. What do we want here? We want the reversal, right? So we're going to sell the close now. We got the move up. We got that trade. It pulled back into the trailing stop. So now I want the reversal if and when it reverses. I'll just leave that and mind its own business and hope for a break in copper and gold. Copper broke that small area support. Perfect timing. It's almost 9 o'clock. Just finished a cup of coffee. Okay, out on gold. Close that trade. Here's where the breakout indicator is in about 45 minutes, give or take, of letting it run. 1372.50. Guys, anybody have any questions? It's almost breakfast time for me. My bots are off until I come back. Anybody have any questions on the breakout indicator? Crude looks to be unstinking tradable at this point. All right, this is going to take a. It just did. So here's the reversal on the natural gas. Well, after an up move, you get a down move, and after a down move, you get an up move, right? So the breakout, Ron, isn't setting the targets or the reversal. You have to determine that. So after this big up move, I'm looking for the reversal. How many ticks? I don't know. This is set default for 20. You can set it for 10. Let's see, where did the 78? Let's go to 68. Take 10 ticks. So the difference between this and the bot is the bot is determining the targets based on average true range. On this, you are determining what you want as a target. Now it will determine the stop, but you determine the targets. Okay, I'm done, guys. So for now, email me this stuff, guys. Yeah, if you have questions on bot settings or breakout indicator settings, then what you need to do is email me those questions. Okay? It's 9 o'clock. I'm going to breakfast. I'll be back in 20. All right, so copper breakout indicator is set for sell to close. Opening range high on crude is 76.70. All right, guys, 10 seconds. So I set the breakout indicator on the NASDAQ for buy the close. Here comes that 90 target. Selling on the open, guys. ES holding 4,000. All right, there's a breakout trade. NASDAQ, again, I've never really been able to find anything that was uber successful. Oh, got that. Out. Buy the, no. See if we get a small break here, and then I'll buy the close again. No buyers. Up to 900 net sellers. ES is going to want to hold this 4,000. That's the key. All right, we broke. Let's try to buy the close again. Let me look at a bigger time frame, guys, on NASDAQ. Yeah, hourly shorts, 10-minute shorts. We're shorts. Straight shorts. Straight shorts. Whoops. How about I turn the damn bots on? All right, bots are on. There's a buy the close. This is a 10 brick size. Missed target. Missed target again. 97 is resistance. If it gets through 97, it looks like it can break up. I'm just playing with a 10 brick, guys. Now it's got to get through 95, then 97. Got it? Natural gas breaking up. SPX breaking up as well. Okay, out. We're up to 2,400. No bot trades. We traded into resistance at 804 and puked. ES, if it's going to go long, has to get above 06, 07, and it can trade 15. I would try an 07 long on the ES to 15. No. 07 long in the ES. A little bit of strength in the ES. NASDAQ's coming to 76 and may bounce there. Small bounce off 76. Nothing much. Looks like NASDAQ's going to sell down to yesterday's low at 745. There are no buyers, guys. Anybody that bought the SPY puts yesterday, they're holding right around 399. They were 398, so you basically hit target yesterday. NASDAQ can't get anything going here. The only I don't see anywhere to go but lower, fellas. Yesterday's low. I'll set the breakout indicator on the NASDAQ again for a reversal by the close. ES, the only interest I have is long, but is at 7. We could drop down to 95 and bounce again where we've already ricocheted once. No buyers, 1,800 plus net sellers. All right, NASDAQ went long on the breakout. Again, this is a 10 brick. Pushing resistance at 75. If it gets through that 75, 76, It probably goes 89. Target filled. Not a damn bot trade. Oh, YM. Damn it, my NASDAQ bot shut off. So did my YM bot, which is in a long. YM went long now. A subsequent signal on YM bot. NASDAQ may give you a small long to 87. ES is clinging to fingertips at 4,000. I'll take it long at 07. Crude is broken out. Let me look at crude. God dang it, I hate it. Crude gets above 77.04. It goes 77.40. Okay, out on the breakout. We're at 26.67 on the breakout indicator. No other bot trades. If ES07 triggers, target one is 15, or as you see fit. All right, NASDAQ shorted on the bot. Target one filled. Out on YM. I have no longs, guys. All I have is scalps to the long side and overall shorts. We're coming into yesterday's low, 745. Crude now net buyers. ES 14,000 net sellers. SPX puts. Both targets filled. SPX puts. We're at 95. You can buy 39.50 SPX puts. 39.50. There's yesterday's low coming at 45. ES needs to break below 95 and it starts working into yesterday's low. Once that goes, you can cancel this. It's FUBARD. Today is the 6th. 39.50s are cheap. $1.15. We probably trade down to 39.65 SPX eventually. $39.50s are now $1.60. If you bought them, trade them accordingly. You're in the money. If you bought them, they're $1.65 now. Trade them as you see fit. If you traded multiples, start thinking about taking some risk off. Okay? I scale out, guys, when I'm up 20, 25%. Still coming. Anybody buy SPX 39.50 puts? Anybody buy 39.50 puts? They're $1.70 bid. You bought 39.90s. Well, you should have told me, dude. We're working toward yesterday's low. If you bought 39.50s, trade them as you see fit. They're 170 by 190. Anybody else buy SPX puts? Okay. SPY puts from yesterday, well in the money. Trade them for your accounts. NASDAQ still breaking down. We below yesterday's low. Next target is 695. Crushing it, guys. If we break below 84.50, 39.84.50 SPX, it's over. SPX puts now 185 bid. We're trading into yesterday's low. I would expect a bounce on yesterday's low, although it don't look good for the home team here. NASDAQ has already broken yesterday's low by 15 handles. Anybody take the NASDAQ short? You got target at yesterday's low. Next target is 695. ES breaching slightly yesterday's low. Okay, James, I'd hold those suckers, man, until the cows come home. SPX puts, there's the day, fellas, are now 295. 295 from $1.15. It's almost a double. We are done. It's over. Foo barred. They are now 340. SPX puts from 115 are now 340. Better than a double. You guys that bought them, I would try to hold some. 39.65 seems to be the target. If you guys are on trial, name one other room that does what we're doing. Name one. There isn't any. NASDAQ's next target, 695. If you're still short. And then, yeah, 695. If that doesn't give it a bounce, oh boy. Ozzy's room? All right, Ozzy. Could have bought 10 freaking SPX puts, guys, for $1,100. Now worth $3,400. Nice job, Caesar. Up $1,500 with the breakout indicator. Nice job. Is there anybody that took no trades? Sat there? I told you NASDAQ was coming down. I'm done with the breakout indicator for now, guys. Yesterday, we bought SPY puts for December 9th. They were 398 strike. They're 296, paid $1.60. Closed $6,300. Nice job, Deepak. Up 6,300. All right, guys. Easy money's made. Easy money has been made. No bot trades, if you can believe it, other than the one NASDAQ trade. All right, we're getting a bounce here. This is, you got a small long NASDAQ ES back to 95. We recaptured yesterday's low. NASDAQ not yet. ES long to 95 and then 99, 4,000. Natural gas still rallying. Crude looks like it's going to flip, but I don't have it yet. SPX, take your money. Anybody not make money on that down move, guys? You're at work, buddy. You're at work. I'm good, brother. How are you? I'm very good. Let's see if we can get SPX to trade back up to 95 and look at puts again. Yeah, natural gas is breaking out. You're welcome, Chris. All of that move, guys, all of that move. NASDAQ's off 55 lousy little points. ES is off 10. YM's down 20. You know, nothing. NASDAQ Delta at 42 hundo. 42 hundo. All right, guys. Easy money was made. Hate when that happens. Let me take a look at 240-minute charts, guys. Oh my God, a bot trade. NASDAQ. I don't particularly like it. I mean, NASDAQ could push down on the 240 to 700. It should bounce at, we got target one only, should bounce at 700. Not had a crude bot trade yet today. Natural gas is in strong longs. On the 4-hour chart, the ES is on the cusp of seriously breaking down below 39.80. The ES gets completely cooked. We could trade 39.08 in the coming days. That's on a 4-hour chart. Resistance on the ES is 14.15 on the 240. SPX on the 240 hasn't rolled over yet, but 39.30 is a possibility. Looks like that NQ wants to wipe out that entire huge move from last Wednesday. Yeah, it does. ES as well. But we do have PPI on Friday. So who knows? Then CPI on Tuesday, FOMC on Wednesday. Natural gas hasn't rolled over yet. Need NASDAQ to get over 750. Yesterday's low is 745. If we can get back above yesterday's low, that would be somewhat bullish. But it looks like it's going to drop down into big blue eventually, 685. Natural gas, nice net positive delta. NASDAQ net negative delta is increasing again. Nice job, John. Nice job. You can short natural gas probably at 585. It's got to come down about 20 ticks. Crude is a short with a stop at 92. Stop is at 9.2 if you want a crude short. Here comes 695 on NASDAQ. Up 1,700 across 7 accounts. Nice job, Tom. You are very welcome. Very welcome. Now the NASDAQ's just kind of hanging in there. We hit 695, it looks like. Yep, we did. Boy, if this doesn't bounce here, this is going to get brutally ugly. Brutally ugly, fellas. It's nice. If I was paying attention. Here it comes. Natural gas spot is not rolled over. ES, NASDAQ well into shorts. 85 was the short on natural gas. 85. It's at 77 now. Target 1 is 55.40. You could still short it. ES is coming down to 65, fellas, if you like the short. If you don't mind shorting the low. It's coming to 65, but you're going to have to hold it. 65 is your target on the ES. If anybody is holding any SPX puts, I wouldn't give them up. Whacked them, fellas. Whacked them. Here comes 65 target on ES. I mean, we haven't even had a damn bounce. This is just obscene, straight down. I don't have a tradable long. So if you're not short, this is major support here on ES. This better hold. $65 target hit. Boom. Holy shit, Nikes. If we break 65, we come down to 55. Crude breaks below 76.25 and it's going to get whack-a-mole. 76.25. Nice job, Marcia. $3,000 on one NASDAQ contract. We bounced 65. Natural gas goofing around. Crude trying to break down. Anybody short crude? Anybody short crude? Okay, I'm short crude, fellas. I am short crude also. Small sellers in here. We need some sellers. Come on, crude. Blow this 25 and sell off like a champ. Yeah, natural gas is doing nothing. Crude is really doing nothing. I'm short 2 at 76.40. Hoping for that breakdown below 25, which gives me a 75, 50, 60 target below 25. NASDAQ can't find a bounce, guys. I mean, not even a small bounce. Come on, crude. Blow it out. I'm short 2 guys at 40, 76.40. Just need this bastard to break below 25. Crude's doing nothing. Natural gas is trying to break lower. Let me look at dollar index, guys. Dollar index is flat. That's what's got to go. If that breaks, this is a free fall. We're below VWAP. We do have fairly, decent net buying in crude. Come on, baby. Come on. Small sellers in here. We're down to just below 1,300. First area of support is right here at 31 and then 25. That's what's got to break. 31 and 25. Natural gas finally rolling over. First target is 65, 64. We have a bot trade, natural gas short. Come on, crude. Break 31. All right. We nipped 30, 31. Need this to. All right. NASDAQ short on the bot. All right. Crude just shorted on the bot also. So we have 3 trades on crude. We broke 25. It did not keep selling and popped right back up. That 25 is the level. Here comes crude, fellas. Come on, baby. NASDAQ's gonna, no, didn't take it. Crude shorted right at that support on the bot. I think it breaks. Here comes crude. Come on, Doc. Down below 1150 on the net buyers. From 1638 was, here comes crude. There we go, guys. Here comes crude. Target number 1 is 7610 on order flow. 7610. There's 12, 11. Oh, you scumbag. Hit 11. It bounced off 11. Here it comes. Come on. This should push down. Crude should now push down. First target is 10 and then 97, 98. Below that, it gets walloped. 75.59 is final target on crude. 79.59. All right, natural gas finally got target 1. That was torturous. Finally got target 1, order flow. That was torture. Target 1 is hit and filled, both on the bot as well as order flow. Natural gas got target 1 on the bot. NASDAQ is just jacking around. So we traded to that 75.97. This is just a bounce off the bottom of the cloud. We're down well below 1,000 net buyers now in crude. And I think this will break down. If you guys have runners, if you're short somewhere, 40s, 30s, just put your stop at break even and forget about it, unless you want to take your risk completely off. Final target, 75.59. 4 more accounts for Greg Dowell. 4 more funded accounts, fellas. Nobody does what we do. Nobody. If we get that 75.59, it's about an $800 runner, if anybody is holding. We're going to get it, guys. Look at your order flow class from yesterday. Look at the chart that I'm looking at, and you will see it. All right, I can take off natural gas. It's already taken that out. Crude is break even +1. All that's left is the crying on crude. That's at break even +1, so there's nothing there. Either it gets second target or takes it out with 1 more tick. NASDAQ is just chopping, but this is bad. Okay, out on NASDAQ. Is there anybody not making money? Is there anybody not making money today? ES, I wish it would have breached 65, but that was a buy at 65. I won't take it down there. Man, Ozzy. What are you doing, Ozzy? Come on, man. You got to talk to your brother. He said, you're not making money. Crude's going to push down here, fellas. Anybody that has the guts, I do not. You can buy SPX 3980 calls. 3980 calls. SPX. Not a trade I'll take. Let me see where they are. SPX. They're going to hang these shorts out to dry, guys, at some point today. December 6th. 3980s. 3980s. That's 3880. 3980s are 630. I'm not doing it either, brother. I'll get them when Europe closes. Natural gas, 55.25. Keith, 55.25. I mean, crude is also hanging on by a sliver. Here it goes. Anybody holding crude? 75.59. Anybody holding crude? 75.59. Okay. All right, fellas. Trial members. Any questions? Any questions? Crude got both targets on the bot. Second target just hit. Nice job, Mark. 75.59 is my final target. 75.59. Long on the YM bot. We're at 74 on crude, guys. We're 14 ticks, 15 ticks from home. NASDAQ has small buyers. NASDAQ's going to push up. Might get 60, 61 on NASDAQ. No, Mark. Absolutely not. The bots will not. There's target 1 on YM. And I generally do not. Guess I should have bought those SPX calls, huh? Both targets hit and filled YM bot. All right, guys, we're green on every bot except natural gas, which is down a couple $100. Yeah, I should have bought SPX calls. This can go all the way back to $39.95 today. SPX. Guys, it's 10:25. Anybody have any questions? Anything? SPX calls were 620 when I looked at them. I may buy them. Let me take a look at a chart. Wheat has a bid. Coffee got target. Nobody trades it but Patrick. $39.75. Yeah, I think we can get to 73. We're oversold. SPX. Now at $29.25. How many did you buy? Don't tell me 10. You bought 10? My man. $29,000 trade. My man. For the counter trend move. That's why you make so much money, brother. We've got buying in SPX over the last 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 minutes. They've been buying SPX. Volume is a little bit low, but they've been buying SPX. They're buying ES. Volume's a little bit low, but they've been buying it. Deepak, you still holding SPY puts? Holy shnikes. Are you still holding SPY puts? Good for you. There's a trip L. Guys, natural gas doing nothing. Crude is kind of futzing around, but I still think crude gives us that final target if you're holding. A break of that last swing at 73 blows it out. Crude is down to 555 net buyers from 1650 high. So there's NASDAQ just shorted on the bot. And so did YM simultaneously. I can't move the YM got target one, but I can't move it. It's frozen. Ninja, man. All right, now I can. There we go. Both targets filled. There we go. Target one filled NASDAQ. Target two filled NASDAQ. All right, we're up 425 on YM bot. We're now up 405 on the NASDAQ bot, and I cannot move either of these off my screen. Thank you, Ninja. Appreciate you. Okay. Got NASDAQ on. Can't move YM. God damn it. There we go. Man, I hate Ninja. Guys, give me 1 minute if you would. I'm just going to get coffee. It does not, Paul. Does not. GoTo will only allow me to show one screen. I'll be right back, guys. All right, fellas, I'm back. Nice, Tim. Nice job. So what are you buying? Deepak, what are you buying? I mean, I think I don't think we give up 55. This is major support here, guys. So looks like we're going to drift into 55, but I would probably take a shot at 55 long. Crude has not come to my final target yet, but I still think we get 55. I'm sorry, 59. We just put in a lower low at 71, and we're down to 370 net buyers. Anyone still holding CL? Anybody? Okay, Mark. Okay, Veronica. Okay, bunch of you guys. Nice, fellas. Nice. Natural gas bot just cannot get a trade. Yep. That's my target, 59. That's a support zone. Come on, 10 more ticks. 10 more ticks. Give it to me. 10 more ticks, you dog. Got 67. Come on. Give me the last 8 ticks. Down below 300 net buyers. Guys, I think we're closer to a long than shorts on the indices. ES is holding this buy zone. Natural gas has finally rolled over nicely. Guys, is anybody not making money? We'll be here a little longer today. I'll stay till 11:30. The only days I will not stay till 11:30, or the only day is Monday. Nice job, Paul. Did you hold on to natural gas? She was a fickle mistress right there, wasn't she? Nice. Well, we're almost there, guys. Yeah, nobody. Let's see if they gave me a volume update. I don't know how low volume is. If we're missing, it's 11% below our 3-month average daily volume. So 11% light. Guys, if you took SPX puts this morning, they were $1.15, 39.50s. They are now 9.40. Just a small friggin' 8-bagger. CL, almost to that final target. Natural gas was a winning trade. If you took, I don't believe, and someone correct me if I'm wrong, did I offer a losing trade today? If I did, I do not recall. a losing trade? Can someone tell me if I had a losing trade? You took your own losing trades. I'm asking if anybody took mine. Did I have a losing trade today? Target hit on crude, fellas. Target hit on crude. Boom. That's all I got. No mas. Looks like the only bot that's going to finish down today is going to be natural gas because it's not going to give me a reversal. Final target 59 from, I was short 40. Some of you guys were short upper 30s. All right, I'll be long ES if we break back above 66. I would try an ES long 66. You can try it here, guys. It's major support. $58 with a 62 target 1. $59 with a 62 target 1. Man, natural gas getting blown up. That was a slow developing trade. Deepak, if SPX gets above 39.70, I will be buying calls above 70 because we can go back to 95 today. That's for anybody in the room that's interested. Guys, I have shut off all my bots with the exception of natural gas. ES is up 650, crude is up 1,020, NASDAQ's up 405, YM is up 425, and down small on natural gas. One reversal and natural gas would be green. Anybody take ES? 58.59, target 1, hit and filled. Anybody take it? Nice job, Mark. Okay, guys, a bunch of you took it. There we go. Got to get above 65, and I think we go juice. I think that's it. Yeehosky. You're welcome, Brad. See you tomorrow. We got South Carolina in the bowl game. They beat a couple of good teams. Badly, too. And we're without a starting quarterback who's transferring. Why is that kid transferring? Go play for Kelly at LSU. Yeah, college football sucks now. It really does. All right, guys. I'm going to take a whack. I mean, these kids go for 1 year, 2 years, and leave. I want to be a starter. I can't make it at Clemson. Now they're saying, what's his name's going to transfer, Ron? Their quarterback. I know you're a Clemson guy. Yep, DJ. I can't start where I'm at, so I think I'll quit. Go someplace I can start. South Florida. Yeah, I know. I know. It's crazy. Yeah, they don't want to play in bowl games because they don't want to get hurt. I guess I'm old. Loyalty with me is everything. Why? It just doesn't make sense, these kids. Guys, I have no trades. There's really nothing yet. I am cogitating on taking SPX 3975s. I need ES to get back above this damn 65. Trailing stop for CL would be 70, 73. Got to get ES above 65, 66. Anybody that's trailing ES, your stop should be break even. NASDAQ is about ready to pop long here. NASDAQ would be a long. It's close. Not quite yet, but it's getting close. All right, guys, I took a shot on SPX calls. 3975s. Doesn't look like it's going to pop yet, though. In anticipation of this ES getting above 67. I mean, everything is on the cusp of trying to break up. All right, here goes NASDAQ trying. ES needs 67 and she pops. I bought SPX 3975 calls. I paid $6 for them. They are currently 650. Come on, ES, get above 67. Get these things to $8, $9. I'd be ecstatic. At some point, they're going to trap these shorts. SPX, ES is trying. ES needs to get above 67, and it can go back to 85, which is just about yesterday's low. I cannot see contracts on the SPX, no. Sold 39.30s. I like that, Deepak. If anybody wants a credit spread, this is a put credit spread. Sell 39.30s, buy 38.70s. SPX, you can get $2.30 right now. 10 contracts is $2,300. As long as SPX closes above 39.30, I think it will. Interestingly enough, I can see SPY volume, but I can't see SPX. God almighty, we're slow. NASDAQ above 55 can go. Yeah, this is an SPX put credit spread. You're selling SPX 39.30. You are buying SPX 38.70. That's for today's expiration, 0 DTE for $2.30. It may not be there now at 2.30, but it's still a nice credit. You can get 240 now. Now 3 contracts is 600, 720 bucks. As long as SPX closes above 39.30. SPX is currently at 39.58. Bots will be finished, guys, here in 5 minutes. Looks like natural gas is going to have a small draw. No, none, Paul, none. There's no correlation. ES still in that buy zone between 55 and 65. NASDAQ, I'll be long above 55, 655 with a target at final target at 720. Until then, I've got nothing. All right, guys. ES bot finished up 650, 650. Crude bot finished up 1,020. NASDAQ finished up 405. So what do we have here? 1670, 2075. Come on, YM. 2075. I can't move the damn YM bot, which is up 425. So 2425 on YM with YM and down 270. So 2200, call it, give or take, overall for the bots today. 2200. And the breakout indicator, I'll show you guys in a second. I can play with that a little bit now that I don't have to watch bots. Breakout indicator finished up 2,067. I'll play with the NASDAQ a little bit. So 2,067 on the breakout. Let me try. Oh, I just missed sell the close. Let me try buy the close. This SPX is close, I think. I'm watching it. If it gets above 70, it could tear. SPX. ES is still holding that buy zone between 55 and 65. It won't break up or out. At some point, they are going to trap Europe. Yeah, the daily chart doesn't look good. I agree. I don't refute that. But for today, at some point, they are going to make Europe sweat. I have no interest in selling bottoms. I mean, NASDAQ could drop right down to 554 from here into the close of Europe. At some point, they're going to stiff Europe. Europe's going to they're going to hold the bag. At least for a while. We're only down 180 points, guys. It's not like we're getting killed here. And I'm not betting on ES losing by much, 55. It's consolidating, but it could break down. Listen, this is my opinion. Anything that happens between here and Friday, which is PPI, and then next week, Tuesday, CPI, and then Wednesday, FOMC, is largely noise. So, I mean, NASDAQ guys could come down to 553. I'm not taking a short down here. You're selling almost the bottom. I mean, the bottom is 88. 20 handles off the low, not for me. Not gonna do it. Wouldn't be prudent. All right, let's see if NASDAQ can get a little go-go juice here on a bounce on the breakout indicator. Target filled. Boom chakalaka. Gets through these swings, we go a ways, above 25. Okay. I'll still buy close. "23 minutes and Europe is gone." Guys, everybody made something today. Yes? Is there anybody that did not make money today? Anybody? Okay, so everybody's paid today. How about my trial members? Do I have any of you guys in here? How about you, Jack? Able to follow along okay? All right, target filled. See why we wait for the reversal? Buyers in NASDAQ, buyers in everything, guys. Man, we're coming back to that 65. If we can get come on, break up and just kill these European shorts. Let them hold the bag till tomorrow. Make them anxious. Just a little anxious is good. So another winning trade on the breakout indicator. In my opinion, guys, the easiest indicator and the best indicator in the world and the easiest to trade. Up 26.17. Still not taking shorts here. I'll be long NASDAQ above 38 now. Let's get the buy the close again. Go long right about 19, maybe 19.5. ES got to 63, fell back 5 points. Got to get ES above 65, and she goes 66. Great breakdown on natural gas. Crude, another 50 ticks from my final target. Nice breakdown on that. Okay. I want it to stay above this moving average at 96, 95.75. Okay. Trying to turn up a little bit. Oh, hit target looks like to the, there it is. They hit it to the tick and failed. Small wins, guys. That's all this is. Small wins. I think you can take NASDAQ long here if you want it. 13. 13 quarter. It's trying to break up. There are small buyers here. If it gets above 16, it's going to go to 26. Going to be out on the breakout. Out. You guys had enough fun yet with the breakout indicator? Now we can try a short, sell the close. I still think this is going to break up. That's what I'm using, Brian. Yeah. Anybody take NASDAQ here at 13? This ES breached 55. I still think this is going to get a bid today. It's my opinion. I think they at some point are going to hang Europe in 10 minutes. If you took 13 long on NASDAQ, your first target is 24, maybe half, 24 half. Almost 21, 22. Come on, dog. struggling here. Take some risk off. Stop to break even. Still have buyers, quite a few. New candle opened up. See if we can get one more trade out of this NASDAQ on the breakout indicator. Put us over 3,000 on the breakout indicator. Oof, crude. Very bad. Crude looks like it's headed to 73 bucks. All right, 24 half target was hit. Turn that off. NASDAQ, it gets above 55. This is going to go a long ways. $65 target. ES still doesn't want to give up the ghost. Well, I'd like to get this over $3,000 for the day. Yes, Chris. Of course. Let's see if we can get a small pullback. It's got to come back below about 23.50 would fire us short. I don't think so. We're starting to squeeze up. We're not getting any damn help from the ES. That I can tell you. Now they're starting to stick the shorts, guys. All right, fellas. It's 11:25. Anybody have any questions? Any questions, guys? So the final number on the breakout indicators, 29.3250. Trial members, I'll be sending you out